What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Trying out this Berryman's Oil Change Flush on this $500 beater that I picked up. Got the C230 for cheap, so doing some work to it. Check out the other videos linked up here if you want to see the full process. I picked up an oil cap because that was broken. And the cheap one off Auto House, so it's helpful.
A few moments later.
You guys can find this tool in my description right below. You'll need that to take the filter off. Not really another way to do it without damaging it. So I use this funnel on all my projects. Check out the link in the description if you want it. It should fit the Mercedes too. Let's see. Oh, not perfectly, but it does. And I'm going with the Rotella T6 too. If you guys have a supercharged or turboed engine and you haven't switched to the diesel oil yet, you guys are missing out. First off, this is $23 at Walmart, and all diesel engines have turbos. So this has been designed to handle the heat and to handle all of that way better than regular diesel or regular engine oil. See, it says heavy duty diesel. They operate higher temperatures, so use this and you won't consume as much oil in your old supercharged cars. Alright guys, another product I really like is this engine restore. Claims to restore compression, restore horsepower, restore engine life, and reduce oil consumption. I'm gonna do a video on if that's actually true on restoring compression, but I've used it and I have noticed drastic reducing in oil consumption on some of my turbo vehicles. So they have a 4-cylinder, a 6-cylinder, and an 8-cylinder one. All the links in the description below for this stuff. So definitely check this out if you haven't. Nothing but good reviews on this. Next on my agenda is removing all this hideous trim that some gentleman decided to place throughout the car. Oh yeah, so sporty. So sporty. You guys like that? Should I keep it? Probably not. You put stickers on here, all this stuff's gotta go. This has gotta go. I mean, come on. The tints are purple. We got some things, we got some cosmetics here to fix up, so let's jump into that.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.